What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to create a princess dart from the basic standard dart. So I simply traced out my front body sloper. If you've not seen that video, I'll be leaving a link to where you can get it. So now I'm simply going to connect the standard darts from this point to the midpoint of the armhole using a French curve. So this type of princess dart is called the armhole princess dart. Now to do the shoulder princess dart, I'm simply going to divide the shoulder width by 2 and mark the midpoint. Now from that midpoint, I'm going to rule a line down to the apex of the standard dart. So this forms the shoulder princess dart. So for this project, I'm concentrating more on the armhole princess dart. So I'm going to continue from there. A hack I discovered is to extend this line by 1 or 1.5, because most times when you're joining the two parts together, you discover that one is shorter than the other. So to be on the safer side, I'll just extend this line by 1.5 inches like so, and create a curve for an armhole that's from this 1.5 points to the to this other line, as you can see. So this gives me my armhole princess dart. So I'm going to use my marker pen to highlight the lines so you'll be able to see it more clearly. So this is what a princess dart is all about. So I'm going to use this to trace the back so that I'll be able to show you the back. So I've done that already, and as you can see, I have my back piece right here. So remember, the front half length is longer than the back half length, so I extended this line inwards by 1 inch, and I simply marked out my dart point. And now I'm going to proceed with the armhole, the princess dart of the back. So the stuff to do here is just to connect a straight line to this point I marked earlier from the front bodice. Then from the top of the pattern paper, I'm going to come down by 9 inches like so, and rule a line that intersects the line we just made earlier on. So from this point, I'm going to connect it to the dart legs like this. So this is what the back looks like, and as you can see, it's very easy to do. So you can use this princess dart to maybe add different colors, multiple colors to your garment, because you're going to cut it into pieces. So now what I'm doing is just to add my zipper allowance, and I'm going to remove the zipper bulge like I showed you in my previous video. So this is all about this. So the only difference between this is you have to add an allowance for the princess dart, because you're going to cut it through and you need an allowance to sew. So the two ways to do this, either to add the allowance to your measurement, or after cutting using your normal measurement, you're going to add half an inch rather, sorry, half an inch all around the parts that you cut, to give you that allowance to join the two parts together. So the next thing to do is to cut through your pattern using these lines, and you're good to go. Feel free to ask questions, leave your comments down below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. So now I'm just simply highlighting my marks, so you'll be able to see clearly on your own screen. So there are so many things you can do, you can achieve with this princess dart you can use multiple colors, maybe let's say black and white, black at the center pieces, and then white at the side pieces. So for the shoulder princess dart at the back, you simply divide your shoulder by 2, extend the line to that 9 inches from the top that we marked earlier, and then connect it to the dart legs like so. Use these marks I made here as a guide to cut both the front and back pieces. That's about all I have for you today, guys. Hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.